Viewers, welcome to today's class. In today's class, I'm going to teach you how to count from 50 to 200 pure Khana Ogoni language. So, if this is your first time on the channel, I would like you to share, like, and subscribe. It is my only way of promoting. It is my only way of contributing to promoting the Ogoni culture, which is my heritage. Season greetings to you all. Let's go to the board. Okay, so today we have Ogoni language. Khana. So today I'm going to teach you how to count from 50 to 400. 50, which is Batup. Lelu. Here we have 60, which is Tatup. We have 70, which is Tatup. Lelu. Then we have 80, which is Nia. Then we have 90, which is Nia Tup. Lelu. Then we have 100, which is Oo Tup. So from the illustration on the board, this is 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So in Khana language, we call 50 by Tublelo. That is 50 naira. That is 50 by Tublelo. 60 is Tatup. 60 is Tatup. Then here we have 70, which is Tatup Lelo. That is 70. Then here we have 80, which is Niatup. Then 90, which is Niatup Lelo. Then 100, it is Oo2 because it is 5 in number. When you add 20 naira into 5, it will give you 100, which is the Oo2. Likewise here, 50, when you add 20 naira into 2 plus 10, will give you this. So let's do it. Here is 20 plus 20 plus 10 will give you 50. Will give you 50. Here you do, because it is this way, 20 plus 20, 20 plus 20 plus another 20 will give you 60. Likewise here, 70 will give you 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 10 plus 10 will give you 70. Here is 80, so it is 4 in number, 420. So it will be this way, 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus another 20 will give you equal to 80. Here equal to 70. 70 here equal to 60. So likewise 90 here, you add 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 10 equal to 90. Here you come to this side, 100, because it is 100, which is Oo2. So you add the 20 into 5 places, which will give you 20 plus 20 plus another 20 plus 20. How many 20 is here? 1, 2, 3, 4 plus another 20 will give you 100, which is Oo2. So here you have 50, which is Batup Lelo. Here 60, which is Tatup Lelo. Tatup Tatu is 60. Here you have 70, which is Tatu Lelo, 80, which is Niatu, and 90 Niatu Lelo. Then 100, which is OO2. I guess you are following up on your understanding. If you have any question, you can as well drop it in the comment section. If you have any question on this, you can drop it in the comment section. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100, which is Batub Lelo, Tatub, Lelo, Niatub. Here you have 90, which is Niatub Lelo, and you have 100 here, which is OO2. If this is your first time on this channel, I would like you to share, like, and subscribe. It is my only little way of contributing to promoting the Ogoni language, which is my heritage. I love my people, and I will do my possible best to promote this language to the world at large. Thank you very much. My name is Peter Winganade. Thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.